Well, we're quite lucky, actually. We don't get too much ice. We can train on the water nearly all year round, which is great. We just have to get over the wind and the rain.
Now, we talk about star athletes, and we've got them today. We've got them sprinkled right through the program. Have a look there, folks, in lane 4, the Chinese combination of Shizhe Zhu and Mengya Sun. They are Olympic champions. They are world champions. They are a quality combination, and I, for one, can't wait to see them in action today in this Olympic event, the C2 Women's 500. 2 Chinese boats, and of course the Spanish expected to go very well. So we're underway. This is the C2 Women's 500. It made its Olympic debut in Tokyo as an event, and I think it captured the attention of a lot of canoe fans just for the quality of the racing. So as we get underway now, it looks like the 2 Chinese boats, it looks like the Olympic and world champions going out strong, but across there in lane 2, it's the young combination from Canada, Jensen and Osendi, who have thrown down the challenge early to the Olympic and world champions. The Spanish are up there. The second Canadian boat is also with Katie Vincent and Sloane McKenzie keeping good time. The second Chinese boat dropping off the pace a little bit at the moment, but the back half of their event should be quite strong. There they are, folks. They are your world and Olympic champions. Look at that style. Look at that technique, Jenny. They're looking very comfortable. Yeah,
very efficient, working in unison together, propelling the boat through the water with their hips. And, you know, that's important in every crew boat, to be good unison together. That's what makes a boat run. And in kayaks as well, if you don't sit well together, it's very uncomfortable, and there's negative energy then, and it's not propelling forward.
Wow, look at this. This is an education, folks, for how to do a C2 boat. These girls from China, so they came into this event with a huge reputation, and they've done nothing to diminish that standing at the moment, because they are going great guns in this women's C2 500 final. Zhu and Sun from China. There's not much else they can do to prove themselves. Olympic champions, world champions. The race for second is going to be interesting. It looks like the young Canadian combination is really pushing hard, but now the Hungarians, the bronze medalists from the World Championships, Brigato and Nagy, also pushing through. And don't discount on this side Mackenzie and Vincent from Canada, but coming up to the finish line, the Chinese will take the gold. The race for silver, maybe the Spanish will get there, yes. And I think Vincent and Mackenzie taking the bronze. So a big finish there from the Spanish girls. I thought yesterday that they looked really strong at the finish of the 200-meter race, and once again flying home to take the silver in that race. But we cannot take anything away from the gold medalists. They were in control of that race from the start, never gave anyone else a look in, and just really flexed their muscles and showed that this year, once again, if you want to win a gold medal in this race, you're going to have to work very, very hard.
That's for sure. They dominated at Ross, and very close for the, well, second place was, well, could be seen easily, but for the bronze, there's quite a fight. So well done to all the athletes.
Yeah, I think that's the Spanish. Jacomi and Corbra flew home. Here we go. We'll get confirmation here. So gold to China, Spain with the silver, and yes, the Canadians, Mackenzie and Vincent, taking the bronze medal. So congratulations to China. They had a really strong women's K4 yesterday that I think shocked a lot of people, and just showing that they're also very, very good in the canoe as well, with a gold medal there for the C2. Confirmation there. Gold to China, silver to Spain, bronze to Canada. The young Canadian crew, they'll learn a little bit from that race. They took it out really, really hard, and obviously found it hard to hang on. The Hungarians threatened for a little while, but just not getting it together at the end.